Sometimes we get bored eating fish, chicken, mutton, egg, or paneer. So, in that case, if you like garlic and spinach, then this recipe is definitely for you. It's so tasty and yummy that this simple and easy spinach based curry, known for its simplicity and garlic flavor, you and all your family members will love it. Hello and welcome back to Cooking Story, and this is Mita. So now let's check the ingredients before I move forward. And the ingredients are onion and tomato chopped, with that garlic chopped, turmeric powder, salt, ginger and garlic paste, cumin powder, red chili powder, roasted gram flour, cumin seed and red chili whole with our lovely spinach. Now let's begin the recipe. First of all, take the spinach. Next, in a large vessel, get 3 cup water to a rolling boil. Then add 2 bunch of spinach into that boiling water. Cover it with a lid and boil it for 2 to 3 minutes in a medium-high flame or until the spinach blanches well. Next, remove the lid, drain off the spinach and drop it into ice cold water, or you can wash it under running water. This helps to retain the green color of the spinach. Then transfer the blanched spinach into the blender. Blend to smooth puree without adding any water. Keep aside. On the other side, take a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil, and once the oil heat up, add half teaspoon of cumin seed, 2 to 3 red chili whole, and 1 tablespoon of garlic chopped. Then saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Once it turns light brown, then add 1 large onion chopped and 1 large tomato chopped. Again stir it well and fry for around 4 to 5 minutes until it turns mushy. At this point of time, you can see our onion and tomato are well done. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Stir it well so that it doesn't stick at the bottom of the pan, and this time you should keep your flame in a medium high. Now add our basic masala, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, salt as per your taste, half teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of roasted gram flour. Now saute until the gram flour turns aromatic and all the spices mix well in a very low flame. Then stir it well and cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until oil starts to release. Again open and scrape. Furthermore, add our spinach puree at this point of time and saute slightly before covering and cook again for 4 to 5 minutes or until flavors are absorbed well. If needed, you can also add 1/4 cup of water and mix well, adjusting the consistency as required. In my case, I have not added water. After some time, open and check. Wow, our palak recipe is looking marvelous. From this video, you can assume how tasty it has been. But to make it more tastier, we will prepare a tempering. For this, we will take a tempering pan. Into it, add 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 red chili whole, 1 teaspoon of garlic chopped, and 1 teaspoon of seismic seed. With that, 2 chili chopped. Saute slightly in a low flame. Next, pour this tempering over garlic and palak. Stir it well and mix it. Then cover and keep it for 5 to 6 minutes before serving with roti or paratha. Lastly, I want to inform you that before signing off, this recipe does not come with additional veggies added in it. Typically, when you add paneer or aloo with spinach gravy base, it could increase the quantity. Therefore, for this recipe, you may need to increase the spinach quantity from your usual quantity. Now, if you like today's recipe, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon. So whenever I upload new recipes like this, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy cooking. See you again with another new recipes. Thanks for watching. Enjoy!